If you want AI automation without paying per API call, you can connect Ollama to n8n. This lets your workflows use a local AI model directly from your computer. So firstly, of course, download and install Ollama, which can be done right over here. You go to Ollama, right here, and then just download it for your computer. And then example command, for example, Ollama run Ollama 3. So when it works, Ollama starts a local AI server on your machine. Alright, and after that, confirm Ollama API is running. So it automatically runs API at the HTTP localhost 11434. This is what n8n will connect to. Then open n8n and create a new workflow, just like shown on these screenshots, and then add a HTTP request node. So as you can see, this is the local host I've been talking about, and now you set it up. You just configure the request. So firstly, it's a method post, URL as said right over here, this one. And after that, API and /generate. And then you just execute it. You click execute node, and n8n then sends the prompt to Ollama and receives an AI response locally. And what you can automate. So it's auto-reply emails, summarize documents, generate content, and classify data. So this is how you connect Ollama to n8n and run it inside your automation workflows, fully local and private. Pretty easy. If you enjoy these tutorials, guys, make sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.